Do it together. Standards. Produce rhythmic sound. Attention. Standards. Okay. So I like to call the respected speaker to deliver his or her speech. Please come on the stage.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to your present respected Vice Principal Sir, teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. It's me, Krizal Khadka from grade 9, today standing in this morning assembly in front of you all to deliver a speech on the topic of presence of mind. Before starting my topic, I'd like to thank the school for giving me such an opportunity to say some words here in front of you all. Now my topic goes like this: presence of mind. Presence of mind means being able to control our emotions where we are or whatever we are doing. Nowadays, many people, in the name of being frightened or haste, they speak other things such as they can make them feel guilty. So presence of mind is important for every person, whether they are a student, any kind of people, or following any profession or occupation. It is important for everyone to know that presence of mind is one of the most important virtue, like others. Presence of mind can make people happier, because sometimes people become more angry and they speak some wrong things in front of wrong people, which can make them feel guilty and regret, and can also ruin their life. Some people are fortunate that they have such habit of being calm and cool in the situations, and they don't become angry and don't speak nonsense things in front of people. So this thing can make them happy and successful in their life. But all people are not fortunate. They sometimes people lose their head in an accident. Losing their heads means they speak something that they should not, and they just do the things which should not, and they forget that presence of mind is important for them. So for following the presence of mind, we must be able to control our anger, happiness, excitement. Sometimes in excitement and anger we speak the words that should not be, and that can hurt the people. So for this, making ourselves a civilized human being, presence of mind is one of the most important virtue. And as a students, most important thing is presence of mind. And if we don't follow the rule of presence of mind, this can destroy our life. So that's why presence of mind is very important for us, and we should be able to control our emotions according to the situation. This can lead us to our goal. Thank you and have a great day.
Thank you, Krizal. It was such a great speech delivered by Krizal. So, everyone, once again, put your hands together for our help. Hands covered up. Inside, hands up. Inside, hands down. Studies, attention. Studies. Okay. So I would like to welcome our respected Vice Principal Sir on the stage to give some information.
Thank you very much, Governor sir. Attention. Cover up. Everybody do it together. Someone is doing fast, someone is doing slow. Why? Hands side. Hands up. Hands side. Hands down. Standards. Yeah, what a lovely topic. What a lovely discussion. What a lovely matter brought by Krizal. Presence of mind. That is the key to success. You are inside the class, but your mind is roaming here and there. The teacher is teaching, your mind is roaming here and there. That is not the presence of mind. Focus towards the subject matter. what is happening inside the class, what the teacher is explaining. The full concentration is your presence of mind. The children who own presence of mind inside the class, absolutely they will be the winner. They are the candidates of GPA4 in examination and full-fledged achievement in their life. That's why, please, possess presence of mind every time, whether you take part in any event of ECA, CCA, or Children's Day, whatever is there, possess it. So, you have to bring very interesting matter of discussion in assembly so that others also will be motivated. So 2 students from grade 9, they have brought very lovely topics. Thank you very much for those 2. And tomorrow there is presentation from next student. Please be prepared. Yesterday there was English story writing competition. Probably result will be published tomorrow. And today, the children who are interested to take part in Nepali Katha Lekhan Pratiyogita, Nepali story writing competition, please give the name list to ECA chief, Govinda sir. You can give the name list to class teacher will submit to Govinda sir. I think that will be better. For this, I think Nepali subject teachers, Bharati ma'am and Risu ma'am, you please collect them, okay? Because you are the smarter in that one. So, who are capable, so they will take part in it. And very soon, we will select some of the students to take part in one international event about storytelling competition. That is storytelling competition, but we are going to hold here. Which competition? Story writing competition. Okay? We are going to hold story writing competition. And your practice is going on. Today, Santa sir will observe your performance. If it is up to date, he will say you to continue. Otherwise, from tomorrow, your program will be stopped. The best program will be performed during Children's Day program. That is going to be held on Friday. And today we have got a birthday boy, Yuvraj Pandit from grade 6. Yuvraj, please come fast. You just go to the temple and come quickly, okay? You just run fast. There is temple. Get some blessing from Goddess Saraswati. Okay, children, let's start our wishings. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Subhatava Janmadeva Sarva Mangalam, Sarva Mangalam. Clap together. Sarva Mangalam. Jaya 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 Tava Siddha Sadhanam, Siddha Sadhanam, Siddha Sadhanam. Sukha Santi Samriddhi Chira Jivanam, Chira Jivanam, Chira Jivanam. Subhatava Janmadeva Sarva Mangalam, Sarva Mangalam, Sarva Mangalam. Look at that, Sarvani, how is he clapping her hands? Sarvani Gautam, are you clapping nicely? Everybody clap together. Yes, in a rhythm. Okay, we wish for his long life, happy life, successful career, and let those of the Chiranjeevis bless him to have disease-free life, and let him deserve the thing, whatever he wishes for. Did you take the photo also, you buy? Yes. Okay, let's chant in Western way. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, dear Yuvraj. Happy birthday to you. Very good. Okay, now it's turn to hear lovely speech from today's birthday boy.
Namaskar everyone, respected principal sir, vice principal sir, teacher, brothers, sisters, and my dear friend. It's me, Yuvraj Pandit, standing in front of you to say about my birthday. Birthday is a special day. It comes once in a year. I like to thank my mother, father to born me in this beautiful world, and I like also thank Anupam family to celebrate my birthday. Thank you for wishing me.
Thank you very much. So we are also very happy to celebrate the birthday of one of the genius boy of Anupam. So you all are genius, you all are smart. We feel proud to honor you. Attention, cover up, inside, hands up, inside, out. Man, please go forward.